Sang.
Nangati ako, lumabas na pa. Taba ako. Kati, sarap ah. Hindi, video to, video. Ay, video pala lang. Ay, dapat isang umiikot. Ikaw tayo, ikot.
Nabati ko po lahat ng Pilipinas.
So now, punta kami. Papasok na kami sa ano bang tawag dito? Sa Palace. Since is good. Cause with love gave you something gold. So you wrap it all up and take it. Suddenly it's so dito na kami sa loob. It's so nice in here.
It's so nice in here.
So we are now entering. I mean going outside. Look at this view. Oh my.
Napakaganda ng
oh my. Look.
We should forget each other.
Ganda.
Comes out of his mouth. So
Yan. Hi. I can show you the world. Shining, shimmering, splendid.
Kita sila Romeo and Juliet.
Saan? We are going to go get lunch. Gutom na, bes.
Super beshi.
Gutom na kami. Hindi nga tayo dito kakain eh. Let's go. Let's go. Yan. Kasi 7-star hotel to, guys. So now we're going down. Meron daw kasing magandang spot for photos. Just like this. Stair. Yan. With the fountain. Kalit sa inyo. Yan, napakaganda talaga. Guys, hindi na ako mapagsalita. Gutom na ako. Nagugutom na kami. Kaya, I'm so hungry.
Hunger strikes
We're
now.
super hungry.
So hungry now.
Hindi na ako makapagsalita na ako. We are on our way to
Shawarma time.
shawarma time for our dinner.
Lunch.
Dinner?
Late lunch.
Lunch. Super late lunch. Shawarma time, guys. It's shawarma time.
It's shawarma time!
So, wakas makakain na kami.
Showtime!
Pa-hotspot ako.
Shawarma.
Yes.
Ayan yung chicken shawarma. Yan. Si Kuya ay isang Pinoy. Ayun, maglabas ganyan na siya. Pinoy ba si Kuya? Kabayan, Kuya? Kabayan? Hindi. Ay, opo. Oh. Ayan, papakita ni Kuya. You're in the vlog. Papakita ni Kuya. You're in the vlog. You're in the vlog, Kuya. Meron siyang appetizer. Salamat po.
Cups na may ice. Thank you.
Yan. It's so nice.
Ang nga, pre.
Sino next?
Isang, gano'n na. Hindi, tapos sa isang. Si Joy. Tapos na siya.
Yan, so we're going to try out.
Hindi, pakita mo. It's
nakaka-
like this.
Parang...
Magkaiba ba?
Magkaiba.
Ano yung isa? Garlic?
Sarap, men. Masarap talaga. Sarap. Cheers! Food! What do you call this?
Shawarma wok.
Shawarma wok. Yan.
Masarap kasi.
Chicken sage. Chicken.
Ayan ang order namin.
Sino yung beef? Beef. Yay! So yung sauce, saan yung sauce?
And chicken.
Ano yan? Chicken sage.
Parang kulang yung
ano natin, yung tensi natin. Oo nga, wala tayong kutsara. Para doon.
garlic.
Beef. Beef sage. And chicken sage.
Sarap ah.
And light chicken. Whatever
Packet.
that
Hindi
is.
pa ito spicy. Ba't nasa ako gusto ng spicy?
Try.
Kunin mo yung tabasco.
We're going to try this one.
That's
Start
the
na
shawarma. Shawarma wok.
Sarap! Sarap sobra.
Anong lasa?
Lalo na yung nuts.